Email verification failed on Scalable Capital Fix. If you're signing up for Scalable Capital and your email verification isn't working, don't worry. Most people get this wrong, but the problem usually comes down to a minor error in your email address, a spam filter, or browser settings, not Scalable Capital itself. First, check that your email is entered correctly. Even the single typo, missing letter, or extra space can prevent the verification email from reaching you. Next, inspect all folders in your email account, including spam, junk, promotions, and any custom folders. Automated emails from Scalable Capital often get filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you find the verification email, click the link quickly because it may expire within minutes. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from Scalable Capital. In most cases, resending the email fixes the issue immediately. Sometimes the problem is related to your browser or device. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the Scalable Capital mobile app. Security extensions or ad blockers can interfere, so temporarily disabling them may help. Some email providers block automated messages entirely. If this happens, consider using a different email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which are generally more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Scalable Capital support. Explain the issue and the troubleshooting steps you've tried. Support can manually verify your account, letting you start investing without further delay. Remember, double-check your email, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps usually resolves email verification problems quickly, giving you full access to Scalable Capital.